One of the main reasons why Eastlands College of Technology was started was because there was seen a gap in the colleges, what the colleges were teaching, and the industries. The history of Eastlands College goes quite far, maybe 10, 15 years ago, but eventually when we settled here, we started with trying to train the youth through a program known as Youth Empowerment Program.
The idea was to give youth that don't have opportunities a chance to get skills and get employment, and fairly quickly.
At Eastlands College of Technology, we have decided to embrace dual training system. This is a new type of training in Kenya which seeks to take the learners through an experience that involves training at college and training at industry. The whole point is not just to train for industry, but to train with industry.
So the students will not finish the training and go to start now learning on how to apply the skills. They already start applying the skills when they're in the college because of this dual training system.
The dual training system is the best one for us, and I really got this opportunity and I thank God for it. Yeah, I've really enjoyed the internship.
They are so punctual, they are obedient. Now we would like them to come back after their internship. We would like very much to work with them.
The industry are our biggest, clients, because we listen to the industry. What kind of a person, what kind of a mechanic do you want? What can we do as a training institution to help you get the people that you want for your company?
But this gigantic task is only possible thanks to the help of many partners.
Schneider Electric is a partner of ECT in order to provide electrical equipment and to train the trainers on renewable energy and solar backup system.
The partnership with Simba has helped a lot. We're now talking of about 65 students who are under Simba Foundation.
I would like to thank Eastlands College of Technology. Thank you so much. Thank you also Simba Foundation for giving us internship. Thank you so much, because now at least we have something we can look upon and we are able to do our job by our own.
So I think one of the things that is very important is that the corporate world in Kenya has to step up. They cannot sit back and complain. They have to do something themselves, and this is a great initiative to join.
The future is in technical training, and Eastlands College of Technology is at the vanguard.